means that we look at light as a code and a structure. It's tuned, well, hopefully it's tuned specifically with a function, right? Because sometimes it just sounds nice and it's a transmission and there's not really a lot within it. But when it's precisely given a function to do certain things, when it's toned through sound as the carrier wave, it actually changes structure. It integrates, it opens space for someone's own structural information, their own geometrical templates to expand and be who they've always been, in this evolving, we could say template, but it's beyond that because we're evolving out of what's even known. So the sound is so highly effective. The sound is so highly effective because simultaneously we are multidimensionally working with the cells, the structure, the bones, the DNA, the fascia, allowing all of these deep breath, deep breath, deep breath through all of the different systems so that coherence, which is our innate state, which is the state of light and divine orchestration, that coherence actually orchestrates itself in its purity. So as we look at this and we look at that with what we're evolving into and we could say out of, the fields of knowing allow us to further fine tune our instruments, our resonant chambers, our bodies to be in complete coherence with open pathways. And also so that our fields of knowing beyond what, telepathy is sometimes looked at like mind to mind, you know, sending a thought form or connecting to somebody, sending information, pushing energy, receiving and doing all this extra energy expenditure. But actually, what we're really doing in our evolution is constantly sensing through all of our systems when and as in coherence. So the nervous system, the fascia, the brain, the organs, the tissues, all of it beyond what I'll even name, they are all sensing, filtering so that we don't need to continuously, clear and reconfigure and do all these extra steps, all the time. It's a maintenance of being coherently clear, and your fields of knowing through resonance and your emanation will naturally either move, I say either, but along with will move the energy either away to magnetize in its own constant state of, and